Hello students, a lovely good morning to all. I am Neeraj Paul, your subject teacher of GK. Dear students, today we will discuss about birds. Okay, you can see here I have mentioned some questions. Today we will discuss on these questions. Okay, students, what is bird? Bird is so beautiful creature in our world. A bird is a creature with feather and wings. There are different species of birds. They have a beak. They have no teeth. Birds can be found all over the world. Dear students, how much do you know about them? You have to solve these questions I have mentioned here. Dear students, bird is so beautiful creature in our world. We save bird in the summer season. We should keep some water in a pot on the roof for birds. Okay students, let us discuss today's questions. It is totally on the birds. First question is, which is the largest bird in the world? Dear students, question number first is, which is the largest bird in the world? Students, your answer will be ostrich. Ostrich is the largest flightless bird in the world. Ostrich is a flightless bird and this is the largest bird in the world. Clear? Second question is, where is the kiwi birds found? Dear students, you have already listened about kiwi birds. Kiwi birds found in New Zealand. Dear students, here you have to write New Zealand. Kiwi bird found in New Zealand. Okay. Question number third is, what is the national bird of India called? You have to tell national bird of India. As you all know students, peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Okay. The answer of this question is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Next question, question number 4 is, which is the only bird that can fly backward? You have to tell the name of that bird which can fly backward. Okay? You have to tell the name of that bird which can fly backward. Dear students, the answer of this question is hummingbird. Okay? Hummingbird is a bird that can fly backward. And dear students, hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. And hummingbird is only bird that can fly backward. Only hummingbird can fly backward. Clear everyone? Now come to the next question. Next question is question number 5. Name the birds that migrate from the North Pole to the South Pole. Dear students, question number 5 is, name the bird that migrate from the North Pole to the South Pole. The answer of this question is Arctic tern. Dear students, Arctic tern is the bird. Arctic tern is the bird that migrate from the North Pole to the South Pole. Clear everyone? Now come to the next question. Next question is question number 6. Owls can be found on every continent except one. Which one? We can find owls on every continent except one. Which one is that? That is Antarctica. Antarctica is only continent where we can't find owls. Clear? The answer of this question is Antarctica. Antarctica is the only continent where we can't find owls. Okay, except this, we can find owl on every continent. Clear everyone? Listen me carefully. Question is, owls can be found on every continent except one. Which one is that? You have to tell the answer which one continent, that is Antarctica. Antarctica is the only continent where we can't find owls. Okay. Next is question number 7. You can see here. Question number 7 is, which flightless bird is found in South America? Okay, question number 7 is, which flightless bird is found in South America? Students, Rhea is the flightless bird that we can find in South America. Okay. Now the next question is, that is question number 8. It is very easy question. Question number 8 is, how many wings does the hen have? Question number 8 is, how many wings does a hen have? Dear students, as you all know, there are 2 wings. Okay? Does a hen have? So you will write here 2. Okay? Once again, listen from the question number 1st. Question number 1st is, which is the largest bird in the world? Answer is ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world, and ostrich is a flightless bird. Second, question number 2nd is, where is the kiwi birds found? Dear students, kiwi birds found in New Zealand. Clear? Question number 3rd is, what is the national bird of India called? You have to tell national bird of India. What is the national bird of India? As you all know, peacock is the national bird of India. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, which is the only bird that can fly backward? Dear students, hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird, and this is the only bird that can fly backward. Next question. Next question is, name the bird that can migrate from the North Pole to South Pole. Dear students, that bird name is Arctic tern. Arctic tern is the only bird that can migrate from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, next. Question number 6 is, owls can be found on every continent except one. Which one is that? That is Antarctica. Clear? Question number 7 is, which flightless bird is found in South America? Dear students, RHA, RHA. Okay. Next is question number 8. How many wings does a hen have? Clear? How many wings does a hen have? Dear students, a hen have 2 wings. As you all know, a hen have 2 wings. Clear everyone? Okay. Now come to the question number 9. Question number 9 is, what is the heaviest bird of prey in the world? Dear students, Andean condor is the heaviest bird of prey in the world. And the question number 10 is, what is a male duck called? You have to tell, what is a male duck called? Dear students, drake is your answer. A male duck is called drake. Clear everyone? Now students, you have to write this in your CW copy. Okay, and you have to write some flightless birds in your CW copy. This is your homework. Okay, you have to write 10 flightless birds. Okay, this is your homework. You have to write 10 flightless birds in your CW copy. Okay students, now the time has gone over for today. Next day we will discuss about next topic. Till then, goodbye students. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye everyone.